Good evening, tightliners, and welcome back to the channel. Fishing tonight with Mark Winnie over here. He's got his back to us. Anyway, I've had one cast so far and it's brought me a whiting to save the blank. This has been in the pool, put it back in there for now. Anyway, so far Winnie's had a dog, a whiting and a small bass. Bait using ragworm. I've got some black with me. Odds and sods of some fish baits I will try out there as well. Never know. On this mark here, there could well be a huss or even a bigger bass. Or even some thornbacks, Mark.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Anyway, if there's anything else or sort of rhywbeth arall, ddoi chi'n dol. Tightliners, so a routine bait check come in there now. I'd put a big sardine bait on here on the bottom hook. Got a really nice whiting on that one, and a whiting on the pennel as well. So real nice whiting. That's got to be what
That's close to a pound, that.
Yeah, would have thought so. Yeah, it's got to be 30 something odd centimeters there, easy. Anyway, let's get it baited up and put it back out there. Os rhywbeth, ddoi chi'n dol. Another pair of whiting guys on the pennel again, on the ragworm this time. Could be one of those nights. Anyway, let's get rebaited. Let's get these, see if these will go back and get rebaited, get it back in. Right guys, so now change bait, some black lug wrapped with some squid. Let's see what that'll do. Probably, like Mark just said, 2 more tings. Mark just brought 1 more ting in there as well. And there is something playing with my mackerel and squid wrap on the other rod. I wouldn't be surprised if that's a ting as well. Anyway, let's get this bait in the water. Let's trample in. Oh, that's not a ting, no way. That could be a wolf. I say no way it's a ting, but we all know how hard they can hit. Oh, that's nice. Fight that actually. That looks doggy or huss even. Right, let's find out. I think it's usual thing though, when you pick it up.
It disappears.
There's something there, but it's not big. This is another. Just dropped off over there. Right guys, pretty much as soon as that squid and lugworm bait's gone in, it started rattling. It is a huge bait, really. So let's see what happens. Right guys, no more fish to report as yet. Mark has got something on here, but his lead is absolutely stuck solid to something. He's getting some serious pull downs. Very bull huss like kind of pull downs. But it is absolutely jam solid. Come on Mark, you can get it. Mark's using all his experience here to try and persuade this fish to come out and try and drag the weight with it. I'm getting small knocks on my baits. I've got a mackerel and squid wrap on one and another black leg and squid on the other. They're only small rattly bites. So anyway, os oes rhywbeth fel yr arfer, mi ddoi chi'n dol. Right, Winnie's still struggling with that snag. Next, I just had a knock on the mackerel and squid, and there we have it. It wouldn't be a session down here without seeing at least one of these fellas. Anyway, let's get him unhooked. Yeah, let's get him unhooked and get him back and get another fresh bait out there. I think I'll put another squid and sardine bait out next, if there's something big deciding to come to play. Anyway, not enough of it. Right guys, so Mark tried and tried, but
Cowboy I am, I've lost it.
anyway, that's how he goes at times.
The one that got away.
The one that got away. Mark's going to get off.
Bedtime calls.
20 past 9. I'm going to give it another hour, see how it goes. Anyway, thanks Mark.
No problem sir, pleasure fishing with you again.
Yeah, I'll see you on Friday.
Yes.
You want to put a plug there?
Right, I'll actually work on it.
Yeah, and then Mark, see you later.
Good luck.
Anyway, os oes rhywbeth yn digwydd, mi ddoi chi'n dol. Don't know if you can see that guys. Don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there's a pretty good knock on the right hand side rod. There he goes. Hoping it's not just whiting picking on my big bait. That's got a sardine and squid wrap on there now. Hoping to pick up a ray or a bull huss. Right guys, time to check this I think. Pick it up at least. Let's have a feel, see what's happening. Guys, I think it's just waiting playing. They can be very aggressive when attacking a bait. This one is a big bait. Absolutely gutted that Mark couldn't get that one in. It'd be nice to see a decent fish tonight. That is exactly how things go at times. So Friday night now, the match that Mark is organising, not in Trailer Bay anymore, so we're going to fish it on Newry Beach. I think the time's the same as before, 7 till 11. So if anyone fancies it, should be a good one. Quite an easy place to fish, really, probably up on the promenade. And well, be plenty of whiting, I would imagine. Good chance of a hearse and loads of dogs, probably. So anyway, if you fancy it, get down there. Right guys, on the other rod, second doggy of the evening. Anyway, as I said, where Mark left, I'll give it an hour. Here we go. It could be that big fish, who knows. Anyway, let's get this dog back in the water, bait it up and back out. Normal guys, that was the latest catch. But I'm just thinking, while it's still flapping around a bit, put it back out there as it is, see if I can attract a bigger fish. No, not a big. Right guys, last bait going in the water now on one rod. Going to bring the other one back in now, change the bait on that, and that'll be the last bait on that one as well. Yeah, not a lot really happening. Those few whiting and a couple of dogs. Anyway, had to come out, had to give it a go, because yeah, it can produce. Anyway, no much. Right guys, so last bait, the squid and black lug cocktail going out. Let's see, who knows, there may be a codling. That would be nice. Anyway, squid and black, last cast, let's see what happens. No, not kidding. Right guys, that's the end of the session. I'm just going to pack up and I'll speak to you again when I get home. No, not kidding. Right, Eyeliner, so there goes another session. Again, not one of the better sessions, but still, fish to be had. Winnie had that one fish that he couldn't get in, he lost it, got snagged. So, you know, there were some things there, just not in numbers. Anyway, next session will be Friday night, Newry Beach match. Fancy doing that, please come down. £10 entry, £2 pool, optional. Anyway, I don't know if you've noticed, but in the bottom corner of the screen, there's my logo. To subscribe now, all you have to do is click that logo and then click on subscribe. Please do so. It would mean a lot to me if we can get up to 1,000 now. We're only about 90 short of 1,000 now. That's really good. That is so much quicker than I ever anticipated that to happen. Thank you all very much for the support. It's been brilliant. So like I said, Friday on Newry Beach, and then we'll see what comes after that. Until the next session guys, until Friday, keep your lines tight.